Here's a straight track section, and you can tell by the plug in the end of the track pipe that these are sand filled to be quiet, so they're not going to have the roar of some of the B&M coasters. I don't know if that was part of their permit or not. So these are, I'm guessing, are these lift-hilled? Because this looks like a chain race here. It could be a chain race. They're straight. So this looks like the piece before the holding brake. You see the completed brake run in the background. So this piece has chain race in it, so that'd be the off with the plywood covering the chain race. That would be the top of the lift hill. I'm not seeing the curved track pieces that go between the lift and the beginning of the drop here. This is the holding brake. They may be over at the far corner of the construction site. But yeah, those plugged ends of the pipes of the track are telling me that these must be sand filled to make it a quieter ride. So that's a block brake right there. Go over to the construction site. So this is just a pen that's out in the parking lot, kind of a little island. That over there looks like a stack of walkway sections to go along the oh, there are stairs. This is the stairs for evacuating the lift hill. You can see the treads are angled. We had some rain here finally. Still some puddles. So here's the brake run. It's kind of a short, intense, fast ride, so it runs into a long brake run. The trains are still going to be going pretty fast by the time they get to it. Unlike SheiKra, that's got a mid-ride brake and a lot more elements, the trains are going a lot slower when they get to the station. Much shorter brake run on that one. So you can see sticking up out of the sand there are a number of footings that look like they're ready for supports. Typically these coasters are built one support, one track piece, one support, one track piece. I like the way B&M seems to have made and delivered all the most complex pieces first, so all they have to deliver after that are sections of track with no brakes or chains or any extra elements. Brake runs fairly high at the upper end. I haven't seen those angled brake plates before. Those are kind of cool. Security just drove by me. They're well aware I'm here filming. So what I'm looking for is to see if there's a water splash element like SheiKra. There seems to be a lower depression down in the middle area there. Maybe that's going to be a pool, I can't tell. This looks to be service area here. I don't see a transfer track. Maybe if I get down there closer. The color is different for this building, but the track color seems to be the same as the supports for Electric Eel and the track for Journey to Atlantis. Yeah, here's the transfer track. Trains aren't very long, so the transfer track's pretty short. This rolls out on these two tracks. So coming down off the brake run, there's a sharp turn to the right. I don't have the selfie stick, so I'm having to stand on sandbags. It looks like brake run, and then there's some drive tires, hard turn to the right. So the station must go right about where that small crane is there. And this is about as far as I get before I run into a fence. So the end of this track here is nearly at ground level, and then there's a slight pop-up which we can't see from here on the other side of that plastic up into the station. And that's all I've got for Saturday, 24th of November. More soon.